All right, guys, so here we are with another $10 Michael's grab bag. Like I said, I had a total of 4 of these. This is going to be this is my 3rd one now that we're opening. So like I said, if you guys haven't seen it, I have 2 videos prior to this one. So make sure you check them out and see what I got in those $10 boxes. These are not Christmas. They're not Valentine's. These are just random things from the Michael's store. She basically just said it's clearance items that they had around the store that they threw into these boxes. So these can be a mixture of anything. So far we've gotten Cricut vinyl, we've gotten gems, we've gotten just random things, paint, chalk markers. So it'll be interesting to see what we end up getting out of this box. All right, guys, so let's see what we got. Oh, okay. So it looks like we got a crystal growing kit. And this was $10 alone just for this kit, on clearance, mind you. So these boxes have been really good. We got some more Cricut infusible ink. We just got a gray color. And then, oh, this is heavy. Oh, they're just like wood panels that you paint on. There's about 4 of them in there. These are actually really nice. And then we did get another one of these in one of the other boxes. It's just a mosaic, like window Klingons. And then, oh, we got, looks like EarPod Pro case. That's kind of cute. And then we got silicone, oh, it's a silicone mold for a bracelet. So that's kind of cute. And then it looks like we got some confetti glitter glue packs. We got 2 of these. Those are kind of nice. Oh, and we did get some of these in the last one. There's some cording craft kits that make like a little cactus. So it looks like we got a total of 3 of those. And then, oh, we got another EarPod Pro case. And then, oh, we definitely got some more gems again. There is quite a few of them. So it looks like we have all different colors. We got like an orange there. Can't really, I think those are purple. We've got red. This one's like little squares. And then we've got some like iridescent ones and then some orange ones. And it looks like we got some ribbon, some just brown ribbon. And then spandex cord. We got some spandex cord. Oh, we got some more of these little easy pour bottle nozzles. We had that in one of the other boxes. And then it looks like we got some more gems in here. Some more of the gems. We got a zipper pull. Oh, that's pretty. We got a little charm. And we got some more like charms to make like bracelets, necklaces. And we got some little buttons. And then it looks like we got another zipper pull. Oh, this is heavy. Oh my goodness, that is one big eraser. We got one giant eraser. And then, oh, this is cute, a little small dog bandana. I think my daughter will be getting this for her little doggy. And then, oh, we got a little dog waist bag carrier. Oh, and another big giant eraser. And then some more of the easy pour caps. And, oh, we did get another EarPod Pro case. Oh my goodness, we got more of these silicone molds. for the bracelets, like the resin silicone molds. And then I believe this is a luggage tag. Looks like a cowboy hat. And then, oh, and we got a cowboy boot, obviously, to go with the hat. And then, oh, we got another little dog bandana. And this, I'm not sure, says something folding. Not sure what this says. Oh, it's a shopping bag tote. Oh, okay. So it's one of those reusable shopping bags. It's in like this little pouch. That's kind of cute. And then, oh, these are cute. My daughter will love these. They're little activity books. These are for my youngest. I do have an older daughter too. So these, she'll actually like these. And then it looks like we got some more gems. And some more of the Fiskars X-Acto knives. Oh, this is cute. It's a little tassel and it says love on it. And then it looks like we got another reusable shopping bag. All right, and I'd say that's it for this box. It is empty. So make sure I have one more box for you guys. So make sure you follow along. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate you guys. Bye.